All right, welcome back, guys. This is Richard McGee, and it's fall time. And if you're a plant lover like I am, you're probably saying, what in the world are you gonna do during the winter time to keep your plants alive? And I wanna show you what I do. Now, I love cactuses. This is something that I recently started loving. And so I have a variety of cactuses that I used to have outside. I used to keep them outside on the porch, on the patio, or whatever. And just look at them. Beautiful, beautiful cactuses. Here's one I bought off of eBay, separated. It's growing good. Look how beautiful they are. But guess what, guys? Typically in the wintertime, these plants will die, right? Because they don't get enough light. So I want to show you just something that I actually learned and been experimenting with. These plants have actually been in the house now for almost a month. And look, they still look good. So here's a couple of things that you could do. Look at this one. Even look at the thorns on this one. Look how beautiful it looks. I mean, trust me, that thing will stick you good. Even have some purple heart over here. Have some of these silica ones. A couple of the African milk plants. Here's a couple of mother-in-law tongues. A couple of cactuses, different varieties. Here's the beginning of an agave. This is an exotic agave. And here's a prickly pear. So the question is, how do you keep your plants, and here's just one just on cactuses, how do you keep them alive during the wintertime? How do you keep your plants alive during the wintertime? I want to show you guys what I have here. Look at this. Real simple. I have a 3-arm lamp with some special lighting in it, and I'm going to put a link in the description to the type of lighting that will help you keep your plants alive. If you're a plant lover like I am, there's no need to let your plants die during the winter time. So what you do is you pop these special light bulbs in there, and guess what? It mimics outside. And so these plants, they actually stay alive. Here's some actually in a corner. Here's some mother-in-law tongue, some purple heart. And look how they look, guys. They look great, don't they? So the point is, just because it's wintertime or fall time, even if you live in an area where it's real hard, don't give up on your plants. Don't give up at all on your plants. All you have to do is use the proper lighting. And this is typically a very dark area. And I'm gonna show you just how dark it would be normally. I'm gonna shut this off. All right, so this is a test. I'm gonna shut this off. See how dark it would be, guys? So how crazy is that, that now you can keep your plants alive, not only alive, but they're actually growing inside with this special type of lighting. I'll put a link in the description. I hope you enjoy your plants during the winter time. It'll be spring before you know it. We'll be able to put them back outside. But if you have a dark corner, or if you want to keep your plants alive in the winter time, this is how you do it. Have a great day, guys. Talk to you soon.